Welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to boot up the Pi with Noobs and install Raspbian operating system. Connect all the accessories to Raspberry Pi and insert the SD card in the SD card slot and power up the Pi. On your display monitor, you will see a menu with a heading Noobs version and build date. Below that, you can see three options: Raspbian, Data Partition, and Raspbian Boot to Scratch. Double click on Raspbian to select it and then click on Install. You will get a warning that you are going to overwrite your SD card. All existing data on the SD card will be overwritten. Just click on Yes. You will see a rectangular screen with a message, Welcome to Raspberry Pi, and below at the bottom the progress status bar showing you the percentage of installation done. Just be patient, have some coffee and wait till the installation gets over. Hey, are you there? Installation is over. You will also be seeing the same message on the screen. OS installed successfully. Click on OK, the system will reboot. Once the reboot completes, you will see a menu with lot of options. Remember, the mouse will not work in this environment. We will choose one by one with keyboard arrow key. No need to choose the first option, Expand File System, because that has already been done as we are using Noobs installer. Come down to the second option with arrow key, change user password and hit enter. You will be asked to enter a new password for the Pi user. Again hit enter. Bottom of the blue screen, you will see a console prompting for enter new Unix password. I am giving the password as Pi in a small letter. You can give whatever you want. Don't worry if you can't see the given password displayed on the screen. For security reason, it will not be shown. Once again, it will ask you to retype the unique password. Type the same password again and hit enter key. You will get a message, password changed successfully. Hit enter key and you are done. You will again come to main menu. Come to the third option, Enable Boot to Desktop Scratch, and hit enter. You will see a sub-menu with three options. Come down using downward arrow key and select the second option, Desktop Login in as user Pi at the graphical desktop and hit enter. This option will enable Raspberry to launch graphical user interface upon boot. No need to make any more changes. Just hit your tab key of your keyboard 2 times and you will see the finish section gets highlighted with orange color background. Now hit enter key. You will be asked, would you like to reboot now? Just hit enter, ensuring the yes is highlighted with orange background, and the Pi will save your settings and boot with newly made changes. On successful boot, you will see the graphical user interface environment with Raspberry Pi logo.